Hello students. Today we will going to start the topic quadrilaterals, and you will going to throw what are quadrilaterals. So let us start now. Now the question comes, before starting quadrilaterals we should have to understand what are polygons. Okay, so what are polygons? A polygon is a closed figure bounded by line segment. Okay, malab it is a closed figure. There is no open figure, you cannot move out of that box. So it is a closed figure which is bounded by line segment. Another question comes, what are line segments now? So if you see AB is known as a line segment. A line which is having two end points is called as line segment. So AB is known as the line segment. Now if you see, lots of examples for the polygon is given, so they all are the examples of polygon because they all are bounded by line segments. Okay, so these all, now there are many polygons, there is no limit of number of polygons. So a question comes, then how many types of polygons are there? So let us move to the next point. Moving to the next key, what are polygons? So it depends on the number of sides. Number of sides will going to tell you what is the name of the polygon. So it has been clarified according to different sides, that number of sides and then the name of the polygon. If there are 3 sides, then it will be known as triangle. If there are 4 sides, it is known as a quadrilateral. If there are 5 sides, it is known as a pentagon. If there are 6 sides, it is known as a hexagon. If there are 7 sides, it is a heptagon, and so on. Means there are unlimited types of polygons. So today we are discussing on the 4-side polygons, that is quadrilaterals. So let us go through the properties, a few properties of quadrilaterals. Now quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilaterals? Any closed polygon having 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Means any figure which is having 4 sides, it will be known as a quadrilateral. There are many quadrilaterals, we are discussing few of them. First one is rectangle. We all know that you all are familiar with the rectangle, a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. That is known as a rectangle. If we come to the square, a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and parallel to each other and having an angle, each angle is equal to 90 degrees. It is known as a square. Coming to the parallelogram, a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel and equal. Means in a parallelogram only the pair of opposite angles are equal. There is no fixed value of the angles of a parallelogram. Same as moving to the rhombus, a parallelogram whose all 4 sides are equal. It is looking like a parallelogram only, but it's all the 4 sides are equal to each other. So these are the few description about some quadrilaterals, okay, which we'll be going to discuss in the coming lectures. Let us move to the next, that now what are the properties of a quadrilateral? Some points to be remembered. That is, now when it comes to the quadrilaterals, we will discuss few points which should be remembering while solving any questions related to the quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is having 4 sides. So the side AB, BC, CD and DA, they are called as its sides. A quadrilateral is having 4 angles: angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA and angle DAB. They are called as the angles of the quadrilaterals. If we talk about the diagonals, a quadrilateral is having 2 diagonals. AC and BD are known as diagonals. What are diagonals? Which are joining the vertex from the center. So they are known as the diagonals. So quadrilateral is having 2 diagonals, that is AC and PD. Now we are talking about the angle sum property of quadrilaterals, that sum of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That is, if we add all the interior angles of a quadrilateral, the sum will going to come 360. That is angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDA plus angle BAC is equal to 360 degree. Two more points over here, that is the sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. If you see the figure, you will see angle 1 and angle 2 are known as adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? The angles which are having the common vertex is known as adjacent angles. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. One more point, if we discuss, vertical opposite angles are equal. Angle 3 and 4. If you see the figure, angle 3 and 4 are vertical opposite angles. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Okay, have you understood? Discussing about one of the question, how to solve the given questions related to the quadrilaterals. A question is, the angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:4:6:9. Find the measure of each of the following angles. First is the sum of all the. So let us solve the question. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. It's a property. Now let's common ratio be x. We take it as a common ratio be x. So the measure of all the angles will be x, 4x, 6x, 9x. Adding them, x plus 4x plus 6x plus 9x is equal to 360. 20x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 upon 20 is equal to 18 degree. So the four angles will be as: first angle is equal to 18 degree, second angle is equal to 72 degree, third angle is equal to 108 degree, and the fourth angle is equal to 162. So taking another example, question number 2, that is, find the value of unknown angle x in the given figure. If you see the four angles are given: 90 degree, 120 degree, x degree, which we have to calculate, and the angle 52 degree. So if you already knowing that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, so according to the formulas, angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle DCDA plus angle BAC is equal to 360 degree. Substituting the values given, 126 degree plus x plus 52 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Adding them, x plus 268 is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 minus 268. Therefore, x is equal to 92 degree. So the fourth unknown angle is equal to 92 degree. Understood, the children?